Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to archive completed projects in ZOHO Project. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open your ZOHO Project dashboard. This is the hub where all your projects live and where we'll be doing our archiving. We start here because it provides a clear and organized overview of all your projects. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the project you want to archive. Remember, it's important to only archive projects that are completely finished, as archiving will make them less accessible. This step helps us keep our workspace clean and focused. Next up, click on the project name to open its overview page. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The overview page is where you can manage all aspects of the project, including its archival status. Now, look for the More Actions button on the right side of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. The reason we do this is to access the project settings where we can choose to archive the project. In the drop-down menu, find and click on the Archive Project option. Make sure you are certain that everything is finished with the project before you archive it. This step is important because once a project is archived, it isn't immediately visible on the dashboard, although it can be retrieved later if needed. Let me explain why this matters. Archiving completed projects in ZOHO Project allows you to sustain a clean and uncluttered workspace. It helps to boost productivity by reducing distractions and making navigation easier. And there you have it. In just a few steps, we've tidied up our ZOHO Project workspace by archiving a completed project. Remember, an organized workspace is a more productive workspace, and archiving your completed projects is a big part of that. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.